I'm going to be rolling my eyes into 2026 because it's not actually New Year's Eve. It's not actually a new year. We aren't actually meant to celebrate in January new beginnings. We're actually supposed to be reflecting and resting and contemplating and um, we we are to be celebrating in the spring, the equinox, when things start to we plant seeds and we have new beginnings, we have new growth, we have new energy. We all feel way more energized in the spring. Does that not make sense? To set intentions in the spring, to start new projects, start new activities. We are way more energized at that time of year. It all makes more sense. April Fool's Day was designed for us to play jokes on each other and be fools and everything like that because legit, we are actually fools for celebrating new beginnings when we do. So they mock us. They create these events, they create these timelines. The original calendar has been hijacked. There's actually not really time, there's seasons. And to take us off our natural rhythms is what disempowers us. So when I say they, I mean the powers that think they've been, the powers that have been, the powers that were. They are no longer having the amount of power over us that they have had because we're all waking up to the illusion that has been that we've been placed in. All of these ideas and all of these traditions and different things like that that have all taken us off our natural cycles has disempowered us as humans on the planet. So when I say they, it is the structures, the people who wanted to control and power, and it all goes back to money. It all comes back to money and greed and control, and that is an old system that we're no longer participating in. And I really encourage you to step out of that system as much as you possibly can. Just, participating in the whole consumerism and just being out of alignment with the natural cycles. Like, do things when they make sense to do things. We've been technically doing things that we were just told to. We were taught to from a young age. Our parents were taught it from a young age, and their parents were taught it from a young age. And if you go back far enough, you know that this wasn't the way people lived, and it's not ideal. And the amount of people that are disempowered and out of alignment with their soul, out of alignment with nature, it's just crazy ridiculous. So we're taking back our power. I'm eye rolling into the new year. I don't celebrate New Year. I've never really been into New Year's. I always thought, like, why does anyone want to go out to a party when it's freezing rain and it's cold, and or go out to, whatever, you do you. But I've never been into it, and I see it even more now than I ever did. And coming out of the illusion, being able to see the programs that we've been in really empowers us because then we can start to make different choices. Then we can start to make different lifestyles for ourselves, new traditions. And it's actually a positive when you start waking up to the illusions. You wake up to the grid and see the grid that we've been the power control grid that we've been under, this hypnosis that we've been under of believing certain things. It really empowers you because when you see it, it sucks and you're like, wow, that sucks. I feel like, I've been lied to and I've been in an illusion. And you see the reels of it and you're like, okay, well, now I can choose moving forward how I navigate my life, how I navigate new traditions for my family. And yeah, maybe there's a little bit of grief to it because it's like, wow, we've been controlled all this time. And wow, I've been disempowered all this time. And our frequency has been lowered on purpose in order to disempower us. And we lower our frequency by eating the foods that we've been supplied with, and we lower our frequency by going against the grain of nature and by going against the grain of our true authentic selves. And um, now it's time to take our power back. So it's actually exciting. I'm happy that we're awake and we're making changes, and our kids are going to have a completely different upbringing. And yes, keep your old traditions. If you like the traditions, they make you feel good, then yes, do whatever you want. I'm not telling you how to live your life. I'm just saying that once you awake to the illusion, you can make those choices. Because if you're not awake and aware to the illusion, you can't make a different choice because you don't know that there's a different choice to make. You think that what we've been served is what is on on tap for us forever. But now we're changing. Now we're evolving and we are aligning, and that's the most important, to be in alignment with truth.